Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report on the Galaxy DX47 HP. This is for Dakota in Indiana. He has a amplifier switch on the back here. So we're going to start with it off. Start on its lowest power, switch off, 10 watt scale up here, which coming up like a quarter of a watt. And then we turn it all the way up with the switch off in the back. It's about 1.5 watts. Peak power with that 25 slug there, audio. About 15. Okay, now kicking that switch up into normal mode. We'll turn this back down low again. Take another look at the 10 watt scale. This time we're closer to 3. And I'll go to the 100 watt scale. Bring it all the way up, close to the 30. And now the peak power, we'll have to change the slug there to a 250. Okay, so the peak power now, that's 100. That's 125, that line. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2. And there you have it. Full output. I want to talk to you. So listen to you. And Breaker 19 for a radio check. Yeah, I appreciate it, driver. Thank you. You too, man. Have a good day.